Road trip. Road kind of bumpy still because the cameras are shake up all over the place. So I'm heading to Reggae Falls right now. I'm still downtown, but I'm linking up with a couple of people. I'm currently traveling alone because the people that move, but they're supposed to roll with bailed on me. So the road alone, you see me. So trying to road so bad. On my way to St. Thomas side, someone know say that part of the world I go wicked. You see? So let me see how that go. See what type of adventure is there for me on my way to St. Thomas side, Reggae Falls. I've never been to that falls and I can't believe I live in Jamaica and I've never been to that falls. Yeah, that part all look deep. Yeah, and I've never been to that falls, so I go see what's that about. Whoa. Yo, I'm not lying, I'm gonna know how many it is because yo, I'm at the gas station right now and gas price is crazy, bro. Like $200. Shut up, can't believe so Jamaica reach them. Can't say Jamaica reach them numbers there. $200 a liter, clothes and skirt. Remember that we were what is her name? Harbour View side, right at the KFC. But $200 a liter, that's crazy. Should buy gas before I come. I actually left Port Marina, but it's one of them thing there. I wouldn't never go fix the road for St. Thomas because well the road leading to St. Thomas or the whole other side like the road actually the road just bad. Yo, the road just bad. I know how people live at St. Thomas. But like I think the people who live at St. Thomas drive some high-end type of vehicle because them road yo. They don't want a roller coaster ride to box cover. I know say the funny thing is you see if a trucker drive now you can't have say how you want to overtake the way the road bad an extra could all come. Just had now a long line of traffic. But it is what it is. Oh god, this road is so bad. I don't know how you guys live so far with them bad road, yeah. I don't know how I want to do it. Alright, so I'm just reach the parking lot. Well, here's a place where you just park, they give them 3 bills. See me? They beside one house, so the house in the background. And take the things out of the car and then walk, go to the location. Around here just sound peaceful still, like really peaceful, like you can hear birds that chirp and like some parakeets and some stuff. But I can't say it's gonna be a nice vibe today. The destination kinda rough, but I think it's worth it. Alright. On the mark. Yo, I'm just here outside Bashmore ago. I haven't seen those stuff in ages, so right now we feel like they are real country. Here they. I don't know how the music in that background are gonna work. I'll probably hear it, but I'm not sure. Yeah man, no walk too fast. So I wanna lead the way.
Mom! Come! Come on!
Alright, the journey starts. Pretties. So, but there you just look a light. So in the river itself, the man them have shop in the river. Them people are serious. Where must river come down? Where'd that go? Right now I have my shoes now on because I have to walk up the river. I should have brought slippers or Crocs or something. One reflection of the river from my face, that look cool.
One time in the last.
Yeah, one more off on the list.
The falls. Okay, focus is up as well. There we have it. Reggae Falls.
Check out the hole.
Yo, that place there, have a vibe, no lie.